Okay, let me do one more problem on page 5, number 3, because I failed to show you how to set up the Desmos calculator for degree mode. So let me do this problem also, and then when I get to the calculation part on the Desmos calculator, I'll show you how to set up the calculator so it's make sure it's in degree mode, because all these problems with law sines and cosine, you want them be in the degree mode on the Desmos calculator. So this problem right here, I labeled these sides A, B, and C. They could be any letters actually, but you want to make sure that when you do the sine of the angle, you want to use the side that is crossed from it. So sine of A over 25 is equal to sine of 73 over B. So because I don't know either of these, angle A or side B, then I'm going to have to find out what this angle is first before I can do this problem. So in this case, I have an angle, side angle. So this is one of the cases where you're going to use law of sines, but I'm going to have to find this angle first in order to use law of sines. So for angle A, it's going to be equal to 180 minus 73 minus 24. So angle A is 180 minus 97. Angle A is going to be, so 180 minus 80 is 100, minus 17 more would be 83. So I need to check that on the calculator here. Whoop. My Desmos calculator. Here it is. So X this out. So 180 minus, whoop, I want to get in a blank box. 180 minus 97. And I got 83. So I know I have the angle right correct there, 83 degrees. So going back here, now I want to set up a proportion with sine of 83 over 25 is equal to sine of 73 over b. So let's go insert here an equation. So sine 83 over 25 equals sine of 73 over side B. Now when we cross multiply of B sine of 83, B sine 83 equals 25 sine of 73, and then B is going to equal 25 sine of 73 over sine 83. Okay, so now I want to go to my calculator, and I need to make sure that I'm in degree mode. And what I'm going to put on the calculator is 25 sine 73 over sine of 83. Okay, so I'm going to go to my calculator now. Let me drag this over here. And going on to my calculator. So in a blank box, I hit the divide key. Well, first of all, this toolbar up here will make sure you're in the right mode. So normally this is like this, it's in radian. So just want to go over here and click on degrees with your mouse. So you make sure you're in degree mode there. And now that I'm in degree mode, I hit the divide key, and then 25 sinus times sinus 73, 25 times, go to the function key sine of 73. Keep doing this here, hitting the numbers incorrectly here. So let me delete a 2 here. It should be 25. Okay, 25 sine of 73 over sine of 83. Go to the function key, select sine 83. In the parentheses, right here is my answer. 25.97 is what I'm going to round that to, 25.97. So I'll go on here. B is approximately 25.97. So B is approximately, look at that approximate key, 25.97. All right, so now I have what side B is. And to find side C, then I need to use law of sines again. So I'm going to use the same setup here with this given information. So sine 83 over 25. Equals, and then angle C is 24, so sine 24 over side C, which we don't know. Put a C in there. Then cross multiplying, C sine of 83 equals 25 sine of 24. And then finally C is equal to 25 sine of 24 divided by sine of 83. Okay, and then once again, I need to go to my Desmos calculator, and C is going to be 25 sine of 24 divided by sine of 83. So I'll go into my calculator now. Hit the divide key. 25 times, go to function key, sine 24, and then in the denominator, sine of 83. So go to function key, select sine 83, and it's 10.24. So once again, you want to always make sure that you're in degree mode here. So just to make sure, when we did the calculation again, and make sure I was in degree mode, I went to this wrench here and selected degrees, or make sure degrees is selected. And I have 10.24. So side C is 10.24 approximately. So I'm going to go back to my problem here. And then do C is approximately, so I have to get the approximate symbol here. So So make sure it's 25.24 here, or 10.24, sorry. Oh, this should be 10.24. 10.24. Okay. All right, there's problem 3. So I just wanted to make sure you knew to put in the degree mode. This one is a little bit different because uh, it's angle, side, angle. I thought every problem on here was angle, angle, side, but this one is angle, side, angle. When that happens, you have to find the missing angle first and then set up your proportions.